Having trouble logging into Fireflies AI, whether you're stuck on the sign-in page, getting redirected, or your account won't load, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes to help you sign in successfully. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure you're using the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Fireflies supports signing in with Google or Microsoft, and some organizations also use single sign-on. If your company requires SSO, you'll need to use your organization's login page instead of the standard Google or Microsoft sign-in. If the login page isn't working correctly, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then close and reopen your browser. You can also try signing in using a private or incognito window. If that works, a browser extension or stored browser data may have been causing the problem. If you're still unable to sign in, try using another supported browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Also, if you're signed into multiple Google or Microsoft accounts, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Choosing the wrong account is a surprisingly common issue. If your organization enforces single sign-on, Fireflies may automatically redirect you to your company's identity provider after you choose Google or Microsoft. If that redirect fails, try using your organization's dedicated SSO login link instead. This usually resolves login problems for managed work accounts. If you've tried all of these steps and still can't sign in, the issue may be related to your account. Open the Fireflies support chat from the app or website and contact their support team for further assistance. Before you do, check that the Fireflies service is online and not experiencing an outage. And that's how you can fix the most common Fireflies AI login issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions got you back into your account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.